Hi, this RN inspection is for 534 Warner Avenue in Los Angeles. This neighborhood is called Westwood. Um, we're going to be inspecting the sewer line through a 4-inch cast iron cleanout access. It's located inside the crawl space through the garage. So we're going to enter into a 4-inch cast iron pipe. This is the original line to the property. Okay, so immediately into the cleanout access. It drops a few feet, then it makes a turn, and it's running under the garage floor towards the front of the house. This is the original 4-inch cast iron pipe. What we see, it's corrosion buildup, which is typical for older pipes, especially metal pipes. They do corrode. They do create a lot of buildup on the inside as they get old. This is a standard pipe. This is what a typical cast iron line looks like, and it's a typical line for a house. It is a standard procedure to have cast iron pipes everywhere within the structure, and then as the line goes out of the building, it transitions into a different material, that being clay pipe. In some areas, the cast iron pipe does go beyond the structure, and in some areas it does go up to the street. Other inspectors are in the property, and they're running water, testing the different bathrooms to make sure that everything drains properly, and that's the reason why we see all this water just going in and through. So for the time being, we can assess that the line is serviceable and it is working as intended. As you can see, there's some areas where the line has built up enough to be flat on the bottom and run on the top. So maybe about 25% of the pipe diameter is lost in that buildup at the bottom. Okay, at 61 feet, we're going to make a drop, and I believe that's going to be near the property line. Okay, sure enough, that drop happens right at the property line, so that's going to be the edge to the sidewalk. And once it drops into a clay pipe and changes in size. Now we're in the 6-inch lateral. That is the portion of the sewer line that runs under private or the public property. So we're now going under the sidewalk. Eventually we're going to go under the street. What we're looking for is for roots, breaks, chips, anything that can cause this line to fail. So far the line looks in in acceptable condition. It's just the typical wear and tear from the metal pipe. The clay pipe does not build much sludge like the other one does, like the cast iron does, but it does get weak over time. When the line is nice and solid or really healthy, has a more reddish color, but as it gets old it turns brown, and that's because the water it's kind of going through the walls and weakens the clay.
They are not going to want to hear this.
Okay, so we paused the video for a while. We're at 104 feet into the sewer line because of twists and turns. We're not able to continue on with the rest of the inspection. So we may be about 10 feet shy from inspecting the city sewer tie-in. So the rest of the sewer line is unknown, but everything looks like it's working properly. It's flowing. The inspectors have been running water non-stop throughout the inspection, so we're gonna pause this video and give it another shot, see if we can push a little bit further in. Okay, so 119 feet, we cannot go any further, but we did line locating, and we are about 5 feet from the city sewer tie-in. So at this point we're gonna finish our video and work on the report later today. Thank you.